Aviva's been busy working on her awesome animal-inspired vehicles. She has some cool new attachments that you can use to build your own creature mobile and race it against Zach Farm Attack. Happy creature racing!
First, choose a racetrack. Then pick the wrench button to customize your racer. Different tracks feature different terrain, like snow and water. You can add up to 4 animal attachments to your racer, one for each slot next to me. Some help you move better in different terrain. Some give you defensive power. Let's race!
It's you against Zach. Did you pick the right animal attachments to win on this track? Let's find out. 3, 2, 1, go! I bet an animal attachment would help here. If you hit the side of the road, you'll slow down. Watch out for the Zachbots! Woo! You won! Good job!
Did I ever tell you? You're a genius.
Want to try a new racetrack?